First of all, remove the two metal pins on the side of the cartridge. There are two ways. Try first to pull them out using pliers. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. The second method is to carefully knock the pins in. Push the pins in not too far so that the two halves of the cartridge come apart. If you push them in too far, the outside of the shell will break open and the charge roller holder may be damaged. Separate the two sections of the cartridge, toner and drum section. Remove the screw. Remove the drum and cap. Remove the drum. Remove the charge roller. If you want to remove the wiper blade, remove the two screws. Remove the wiper blade. This part of the cartridge contains the waste toner. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. If this blade is bent in any way, the cartridge will leak. Recovers the pins. Take the toner section. Remove the screw. Remove the left side end cap. The contact plate of the magnetic roller may detach. Remove the magnetic roller assembly. Remove the two bushings. The toner is held on the magnetic roller sleeve by the stationary magnet inside the sleeve. Remove the magnetic roller gear. Remove the two screws. Remove the doctor blade. Remove the fill cap. Remove the screw. Remove the right side end cap and the plastic support. Remove the two white gears. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. Do not reuse the toner left inside the supply hopper. It's mostly waste toner. And if you have two different type of toners in the cartridge at the same time, the quality will be compromised. You can also clean the cartridge at open air. Do not breathe the toner dust. It would be better to change the drum. If you want to reuse the old drum, look for wear, check for nicks, then clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. Make attention, the light may damage it. For more information on how to clean a drum, click the link below. Gently clean the magnetic roller with isopropyl alcohol and water. The magnetic roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Clean the charge roller with water. The charge roller places the initial charge on the drum, as well as erases the residual charge at the end of the cycle. Clean the doctor blade with alcohol. The doctor blade controls the amount of toner on the magnetic roller. The doctor blade must be perfectly straight. Clean the wiper blade with isopropyl alcohol. Probably, it's not necessary to change the wiper blade. If you want, here it's possible to install a seal. However, if you use the cartridge in your printer, it's not necessary. Make attention not to damage the smile or sealing blade. Reinstall the fill cap. Refill through the magnetic roller opening with 150 grams of toner for the standard cartridge and 200 grams for the high capacity. Reinstall the doctor blade and the two screws. Install the bushings in the magnetic roller. Be careful with the bushings. They are very fragile. The two bushings are different. The white one go on the gear side. Align the key magnet into the key slot. Install the plastic support. Place the magnetic roller in its position. Install the end cap and the screw. Magnetic roller gear has a notch. Insert the gear in the right way. Install the right side gears. Reinstall the left end cap. Align the two posts on the end cap and the two holes in the white spacer. Install the screw. Rotate the magnetic roller through its gear to make sure all is correctly in its position. Lubricate the edge of the blade with toner. Install the wiper blade and the 2 screws. Reinstall the charge roller. Lubricate the drum with toner, or the wiper blade may damage it. Install the drum. Install the bushing and the screw. Turn the drum by hand several times to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. Place the 2 sections together. Make sure that the 2 springs are aligned. Insert the 2 pins. HP 1200, 1150, and Canon cartridge T-Series have no chip. You have to change the cartridge when quality become low. Toner cartridges HP 1300 series has a chip. It's not necessary to change the chip, but an error message must be cleared first to print, and toner low features will not work. To change the chip, remove it, and install the new chip. And the work is done.